I hope so. Well, don't open the door all the way.
It looks so good.
Doesn't it though?
Yeah. It looks really good.
Sirius helped.
Oh, did he?
Or he was mostly just terrified by the drill the whole time.
Hi!
But Norbert's son was it?
Yeah.
Do you like the TV?
I wonder if I could send Matt.
Guys, look what happened. We got it all done and the TV mounted. Well, Andrew and his dad got the TV mounted. Me and Andrew did the wall. I actually did more of the wall than I expected to end up happening, but it was really fun. It came out so good. There's still a little portion at the top that we probably are gonna get a little piece to finish, but either way, like, it looks incredible. I'm so excited. And if you stand back here, you get like the full picture of it. It's amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about how that came out. Kitchen's a mess from unpacking, but we're still waiting on the stuff from the sink. And hopefully the microwave is going up tomorrow. Yay! Right, I'm heading out. Whew, if I can get the door. I'm heading out to work. Out here is still such a mess, but still a work in progress. So I'm dropping Max off and heading to work. Sirius. Sirius. Do you like that spot? Is that your favorite spot? Yeah? Yeah? You're not going back outside. You know you're not. Oh, Max says hi. Max also says he wants Daddy's food. Andrew tried to give him broccoli and he didn't eat it.
Say hi. I have apple cake. Max. Oh. Oh. I have apple cake. Lay down. There you go. There you go. Apple cake. Yeah, Brooke told us to vlog, but I'm not sure what to vlog about. No, what's she doing? What's she doing? I don't know. Hello. Psst, Max. Max.
Hi.
There she is. Oh, look at the tail. Look at the tail.
I grabbed an orange.
Apple cake and oranges.
Do you like oranges?
Like, peel it. Max, you just sniffed the camera. Here, take this.
Oh, okay. We still need to do a couple things so I can finish unpacking. But I think the closet is getting done tomorrow. Yay! I haven't vlogged very much today.
Oh, that's not my fault.
I was working.
That's also not my fault.
But things have been going good. I'm caught up on schoolwork, so that's good. I have one more assignment left for this class. Yes, one more assignment. And
Yes, I don't know.
and then I have the second part of this class, which is just the second part of putting the applied research project together, because this kind of started that. And then in the fall, I actually go back to normal classes instead of like, these classes are like one assignment a week, very little discussion, and yeah,
You guys were being lazy.
it's a summer class, which doesn't suck because we had to move and remodel a house and work crazy hours.
Wait,
So
you remodeled the house?
we had to make decisions and stuff.
I don't remember that.
I did help with demo.
You want to break it, bro.
Yeah, I did help with that. That was fun.
I'm trying to print out my driver thing. But I think I need to do it from my other computer.
Oh, so you can drive the new rig?
Not yet.
He had to take a class because
I'm getting closer.
the fire department got a new thing.
It was a pretty interesting class, too. It was basically serve safe for driving a car.
Wow. So it was like road safety laws?
Not even laws, really. Just safety stuff.
Oh.
But it was that same kind of interesting stuff. If that, like, a lot of it was stuff I already knew.
Yeah.
It was kind of like,
Well, you did get taught how to drive by a cop. So.
I think we killed Max.
Max, are you okay? He's been very worn out by going over to Andrew's parents' house. I think the kids have been wearing him out. He always comes home after he's been there while we're both working, like, aw, Max. I'm actually off tomorrow. Yay! I'm so excited. I think we're going to end the vlog, though, and go to sleep. Because we're both very tired.
Well, Brooke is, at least.
I think he is, too. And we know Max is.
Max is always tired, though. Max would just fall asleep all day long if we let him.
That's true. That's very true. He does try to. And when you are his bed and you move, he gets an attitude about it. Like, how dare you move while I'm sleeping on you? Yeah, he's very spoiled in ways. Anyways, if you did not see today's or yesterday's Turner Syndrome video, click the link in the iCard and go watch it. It was a super interesting one. I was really happy with it. And let me know what you thought in the comments. Like this video if you liked it. And share it with everybody. And click the screen and subscribe if you are not already subscribed to my channel. And we will see you tomorrow. Right?
I think so.
Yeah. Want to say bye?
Okay.
Oh, hi, Sirius. You guys want to say bye? Sirius. Bye. What is it? What do you see? Did you see something go under there? I don't see anything, buddy.